What got me fired up today is that now at $22 billion, with 300 million shares traded out of a total of 500, it's obvious that this is one of those where the sellers have just had to go away because they're taking it higher. But what I thought Adam Aron did the other day, the CEO, was brilliant. He's growing the company. He has shares that he can offer to be able to really buy pretty much any theater in the world or any chain. And I think he's going to do that. And so he's got some growth. I also think his strategy of selling some shares to a fund, just flipped it, which I can't blame him, is also brilliant. But it's the mean people, Carl. They've got two stocks. They have AMC and they have GameStop, and they have nothing else, frankly. And they're bent on some sort of contest where they want to destroy the shorts. And anybody who says it's overvalued is immediately a target. But I don't care. You and I both know at $22 billion, you got a stock that some would say is overvalued.
So Jim, it's John Fort here. So if you want to believe in AMC long term, based on what you're seeing happening in retail and entertainment, what does AMC have to become? I mean, because, yeah, he can buy up theaters. Do they have to have more of a tech play to justify a little bit more of a software valuation?
John, that is brilliant. And we know that Adam Aron's background is hospitality. He knows that Starwood. I mean, I can imagine him making a deal with the real estate investment trust, saying, look, we'll put theaters, now that COVID is waning, in your top flight theaters in Simon Property Group, in Federal Realty. Adam knows everybody. He can put some sort of theater wherever you need it, and he's going to own this business, which in the end is going to be a great business. Adam is a fantastic manager, but what he really knows how to do is run a stock, and it's simply brilliant. And you got to admire it just for the moxie.
Jim, we got about 60 seconds left here. If you had been with us today, you might have commented on the Goldman downgrade of Cinemark and IMAX down to sell. Directionally, do you think they're right on what attendance is going to do?
I think attendance is going to soar. I think people want to go to the movies, and I think that Adams could buy both of those in a heartbeat and become the king, the gold winner of our era, the Warner bro, Jack Warner. Adam probably wants to be Jack Warner so it can happen. I love that. Adam Warner, he wants to have a great time, too. There's nobody happier. All righty?
Jim, I hear you. We were glad to get you on the phone.